Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will discuss rabies. Rabies virus is responsible for causing rabies, that is an encephalitis. Important properties. The important properties of rabies virus are following. It is belonging to the rhabdovirus family. Rabies virus is an RNA containing virus. It contains single-stranded RNA. This single-stranded RNA is encapsulated by bullet-shaped capsid, which is surrounded by the lipoprotein envelope that is required from the cell membrane. It has negative polarity RNA, therefore it should have RNA dependent RNA polymerase. It has single antigenic type. This antigenicity is determined by enveloped glycoprotein spikes that are present on the surface of the virus. Rabies virus has a broad host range. It is transmitted from mammals to humans, and it can infect several mammals. Replicative cycle. Rabies virus enters through wounds in the body and then binds with the acetylcholine receptor present on the surface of the cell, and then it enters the cell by binding to this acetylcholine receptor. Inside the cell, RNA polymerase causes synthesis of 5 messenger RNAs. When these 5 messenger RNAs are produced, then they are utilized to form the viral proteins. When viral proteins are formed, then replication of the viral RNA is also done by the help of RNA polymerase. Now RNA and viral proteins both are available, so assembly of these viral RNAs and viral proteins occur and several variants are produced. Several viruses are when produced, then they leave the cell by getting enveloped from the cell membrane. These viruses now leave the cell and attack other cells. Now we discuss about its transmission. Rabies virus is transmitted through bite of a rabid animal. Rabid animal is the animal that is aggressive and it has biting behavior due to encephalitis. Dogs, cats and bats are mostly involved in the transmission of this rabies virus. What is pathogenesis of this virus? This virus, as we know, that enters through the wounds, binds with the acetylcholine receptors and enters the cell. Here it multiplies locally then infects the sensory neurons. After infecting the sensory neurons, the virus moves by retrograde axonal transport to the central nervous system. In the central nervous system, it multiplies and increases its number. After multiplication, it through the peripheral nerves travels into the salivary glands and to other organs. Here, from the salivary glands, it enters the saliva and is transmitted to the other organisms through bite. What are the clinical findings with rabies? The incubation period with rabies infection is as short as 2 weeks or as long as 16 weeks or more longer. But it depends on the site of the body where the rabid animal bites. The symptoms are fever, anorexia, delirium, agitation, changes in sensation, also known as paresthesias. It has two forms. One, furious form. First we will discuss furious form. In case of furious form, the symptoms that appear are dizziness, agitation, delirium, seizures and hydrophobia. These symptoms appear in 80% of the individuals. Hydrophobia is due to the spasms of the pharyngeal muscles and person is unable to swallow water. The other form of rabies is dumb or paralytic form. In this form, no signs and symptoms appear like that in the furious form. But in this case, spinal cord involvement occurs, ascending paralysis occurs. In most cases of the rabies virus, death almost invariably occurs. But with the advent of life support systems, a few individuals have survived. Now we will discuss the lab diagnosis of rabies virus. It can be detected through the polymerase chain reaction PCR, through fluorescent antibody staining to detect antibodies formed against this virus, and through the staining of the Negri bodies, not antibodies, Negri bodies. That is, through staining of the Negri bodies, we can detect the rabies virus in the cytoplasm of neurons, that is hippocampal brain neurons. Treatment. There is no specific antiviral treatment, but we give the symptomatic treatment, and support systems are invented, and due to these support systems, few individuals have survived. And for prevention, there is a rabies vaccine that